Hey ManEaters! So here's my long overdue Etsy shop tour. It's my Etsy shop home office where I create embroidered apparel for the wild and vile. So I guess we'll just start here. Here's my mailbox for outgoing orders. I seriously love filling this thing up. It is the best feeling in the world. I do not know why, but we've got a few outgoing orders right here with my little donuts packaging. Right here I have my outgoing clothes, and these are just like to-do orders, so some of them will be blank, but it's the size that I would need. But so yeah, they're embroidered, and this one says Extra AF Playgirl. Love this one. A blank order. Here's just an embroidered shirt. Then Sugar Baby for a close friend of mine, actually. So yeah. Over here is where I package my orders. So this is what it looks like. We'll start up here. I have my rack that I put important office supplies just for easy access. We've got tape, we've got hoops, scissors, and then just like cute little Polaroids because aesthetic. I got this rack from Amazon. And then right here is just where I place the clothes as I prepare each order. Over here to the left I have a little weighing thing. It just weighs the packages. I will iron them sometimes if they need ironed, and then lint roller. Sometimes I spritz it with this. It smells so good. I'm extra, but I care about my packages. Also, comment down below if you would like to see me make a video of me packaging my items. I could definitely do that for you. And then beneath it is my Alex drawer. This holds up the entire desk along with the trestle over there. But here's my Alex drawers from IKEA. This holds a bunch of miscellaneous things and a bunch of packaging material. This is where I put my gift wrap paper. I wrap each package with tender love and care. I hug each one and kiss them on their way out because I just love my ManEaters. And here is the packaging. I like to change it up a few times. A change is always good. And then just more packaging, and then a bunch of miscellaneous things, such as, here's a little overview of the desk. We actually made this desk, my boyfriend and by we, I just mean him, so thank you very much. We just got wooden planks from Home Depot. They're 10 feet long, and we got 3 of them, and he, you know, nailed and screwed it together. I don't really know the terms, but it works. I love it, and I couldn't be any happier. I work at this every single day. It's so much room, and honestly, it just fits my aesthetic somehow, just like the raw wood, light colored look. So yeah. Over at this station, it's my embroidery station where I embroider the clothes. Here is just my loose leaf papers, my pens. I do need more office supplies. I was thinking about going to IKEA or the Container Store. Let me know which one, or a place that has really cute office supplies. Right here is like note cards. I write handwritten notes to each ManEater. And then my business cards, which I am so in love with. I designed this myself, and I created like a bite in each, on each one, because ManEater, duh, get it? Okay. Okay, so here's thread, and then just like a trash can for easy access for like loose threads so it doesn't get all messy. Down here, I have a white trestle from IKEA. This is where my printer lives and its printing supplies. They're all down there. Down here, it's not the most neat, but I'm fine with it. It doesn't get in my way and whatever. But it's just a bunch of like to-do projects, just like as my hobby. I really like thrifting and upcycling the clothes. So yeah, those are like to-dos. I have a bunch of before and afters, or I will have a bunch of before and afters of the clothes I create on my Instagram if you want to go check that out. And then up here is my cork board where I organize my to-do orders. It really helps me out. Then over here I have my dry erase boards, which pretty much most things in this office is handmade or thrifted. So these dry erase boards are thrifted and they just have important info like that I need to know on there. Right here is what I like to call my sewing station. It's pretty cute. I enjoy it. This table as well, it was thrifted, and I upcycled it by getting sticky marble contact paper. Yep, that's not real marble. That's contact paper from Amazon. You should try it out. It's pretty fun, and I think it looks pretty dope. Okay, and then over here is my handy dandy ring light. It really helps with good quality photos, and if I want to work at night, I could definitely just put this thing on and then snap some photos, and it works out like amazing actually. And then over here is my closet. It is where I keep all of my inventory. They're organized in boxes by size and then like other things, but I can save that for another video if you want to see how I organize my closet, I guess. Just let me know. And then down here, this is where I keep like other boxes for bigger orders, and then over here some more packaging material, and there's some mess up shirts because they're mess up shirts that I messed up on obviously, but I would never send out a mess up shirt, so I just use it to like practice on and whatnot. And honestly, I was going to clean the crap out of my office for this video, but I decided that one, that was too much work, and two, I just kind of wanted to keep it real. Like, this is what it looks from day to day. So it is what it is. All right, so that was my office tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye, man-eaters.